Okay, hello YouTube. My take looks out because I'm using my Kodak, but anyways, this is a contest entry for Suck My Proctus, aka Hypersletter Z. And as you know, I don't have any rare turtles, but he goes nothing, and I only have 2 turtles in my tank. And turtle I'm entering is Pancake, my floater soft shell, because nobody entered soft shells yet, so I'm gonna try this one out. I can't really see it on this camera, but it's got really nice coloring and everything. I got him from a Reptile Expo. Yep, he's grown not that much, but yep, this is my enclosure. 40-gallon fish tank, because it's on sale at Petco. I have water lily buds right there, and then in the back of it I have a skull. I have a tree enclosure, not tree enclosure, I mean, and then I have plants that are fake, and then I have medium-sized basking dock. Got my aqua clear filter that's 50 and aqua clear at 70. He's digging. I don't know if you can see it, but he's digging. That's what they like to do. Oh yeah, there he is, right there. I put it underwater. Yep, so that's my contest entry. And I feed them just like little lettuce pieces. I feed my turtles romaine lettuce every other day. And I put Vita Shell on them just to make sure they don't have any diseases. I really like seeing this turtle. The new in the world, please, to be my first rare turtle. So yeah, so I get more at the expo. Thanks for watching. Hope I win. Wish me luck. Bye.